Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota on our showroom floor. Today we're going to talk about one of the hottest cars that came from 1987, the fastest production car actually done at that time. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of our 1980s collectible cars. There aren't but a handful in the 80s, but here you have one of the most sought after models right here. The 1987 last year for the Grand National Regal Buick. It was the fastest vehicle that was in production in 1987. We have an extremely nice example right here, a black car. Of course, they all were black. That was the color that came with all of these things. They had the 3.8 fuel injection turbocharged motor that put out an incredible amount of horsepower for 1987. This car has been completely redone in terms of it's been repainted in its original color. The motor actually is the original motor, but it has been rebuilt. So it is one of those things that all that stuff is in place. One of the interesting features, they all came with the chrome wheels and the center caps with the little logo on it. But that is always, when you seen that coming up next to you at a stoplight, you knew that car meant business for going down the road. They all came also with their custom interiors with the little embroideries on the seats, all that kind of stuff with the floor mats that say Grand National on them. They were all four-speed automatics with overdrive. Just one of those cars that was just, in its time, was the fastest thing out there. Again, 1987 is the last year for the Grand National. We have one right here on our sales room floor here at Ellingson's, where we have close to 100 cars, trucks, street rods, resto mods, all available for your perusal at any time. You can come and visit us in person if you want to come Monday through Saturday. We're open 10 to 5. Glad to show you around, show you all our inventory. If you can't do that, you can visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, and you will find all our inventory, videos, and the likes of all our current inventory. New stuff is coming in all the time, by the way. And if you don't have access to that, or if another source works for you, we are also available to find our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. But if you're looking for, which has been one of the hottest Buicks of all times, was the Grand Nationals, here we have an example of the last year production right here on our sales floor. Come and take a look. We'd love to tell you more about it.